Viewers, today we are going to show you a large size LED illuminated magnifier, basically used for QC inspection and examining micro objects. So we will see how it looks and how it is operated. So let's start. You will receive this magnifier in this secured packing. So outer is the carton cover. We will unbox it first and take out the inner packing. See, there is a secured packing inside this carton. So this secure packing protects this magnifier during transportation. So after receiving the package, you need to remove this carton first and take out this thermocol packing, and inside this packing we can see that magnifier. See, this is a large size magnifier with 7-inch diameter lens. So the model is IML 7W LSA. It is sold by India Enterprises. It's a very useful product for examining micro objects under its lens. So the illumination is LED based, so it is having a long life as compared to traditional type CFL and other power sources. So you can achieve a lifespan of 20,000 hours or more by using these LED fitted inside this magnifier. So we will take out this magnifier and a compatible clamp also. See, this magnifier can be mounted on a tabletop with the help of this clamp. We need to fix the clamp on the edge of the table. So we will show you how it is fixed to the edge of the table. See, this is how this clamp is fitted on the table, and inside this hole we will insert the arm of the magnifier. You can see a hole there. So in this hole we will insert this the arm, the flexible arm of the magnifier. See how it is inserted. So is very flexible type of arm is provided. So so with the help of this flexible arm, the magnifier can be adjusted according. So it boasts a flexible type of adjustable arm. So with the help of this adjustable arm, we can just adjust the uh, vision area of this magnifier, and it can cover a large area. So by adjusting the magnifier, we can focus on the object we want to examine under its lens. Okay. So it is operated on the 230 volt AC power source. So a power cord is 3 pin type power cord is provided to supply. An on-off switch is provided on the top of this magnifier. With the help of this switch, we can switch on the magnifier and then switch it off according to our requirement. See, we can see the illumination here also. So it translucent type of filtration is also provided under this magnifier, so that minimum reflection is achieved. We can see that. And on top of this lens, a protection cover is provided which can protect this lens from damage. So we need to open this protection cover for starting the examination. So we can see it is having a large size 7-inch lens, and the magnification is 5x. It is also ESD safe. So we will check the its ESD property also with the help of a surface resistivity meter. So we will take a surface resistivity meter and we will check its surface resistivity of this magnifier. So we can see it is within the permitted range. The body is dissipative. See, here it is also dissipative. So the entire this entire magnifier is ESD safe, and it is also properly grounded to the earth. with the help of a 3-pin plug. So it's a very useful product when you are examining a small or micro objects. So it's give a larger view also of the object under measurement. So you rarely find this magnifier with a large size 7-inch lens. So it is sold by India Enterprises. It's a must buy product if you are using it for quality control and inspection purposes. So please go for it, buy it from India Enterprises. Thanks for watching.